Hey, I haven't had the chance to show this very many times, but let's see. Look at the bumps on here. All the bumps on this right now. That's all because this is plaster. This is plaster. This is drywall, and that's what happens. Is it bubbles out. Happened over here too. So what I have to do, let's get focused again. What I have to do is I have to scrape it down a little bit, fill in those holes, and probably a couple of times. I'll fill them in once, and then when I go to skim, I'll skim it out again. They should be okay, but if they're not, you might have to just knock them down again and scrape them and fill them in again. Sometimes I even have to fill them in after I'm done sanding. It's just the nature of putting this kind of mud on top of plaster. It bubbles out. So just take your time, do it right. Have a good day. And we just want to say subscribe.
Subscribe.
Say it louder.
Subscribe.
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 Did you want to say anything? Did you want to say that the drywall doctor is awesome?
The drywall doctor's awesome.
This is my grandson, by the way, and this is our next line of drywall doctors. You guys have a good day. Say it.
Have a good day.